Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious and easy coleslaw recipe. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 head of green cabbage, 1/4 cup of shredded carrots, and 1/2 cup of good quality mayonnaise. For the dressing, prepare 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. A pinch of salt and pepper will complete your flavor profile. Now let's get those vegetables ready. Start by finely shredding about 1/2 head of green cabbage. You can use a sharp knife, a mandolin, or a food processor for this step to achieve thin, uniform strips. Next, grate 1/4 cup of carrots. These add a lovely color and a touch of sweetness. Once shredded, combine the cabbage and carrots in a large mixing bowl, ensuring they are well mixed. The dressing is where the magic happens. In a separate small bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then, add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard for a little tang. Finish by seasoning with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Whisk until everything is smooth and well combined, creating a creamy, flavorful dressing. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Pour your delicious, creamy dressing over the shredded cabbage and carrot mixture in the large bowl. Using tongs or a large spoon, gently toss everything until all the vegetables are evenly coated. This ensures every bite is bursting with flavor. For the best taste, cover the bowl and chill your coleslaw in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.